I just heard you can make something that tastes like bacon using rice paper and different herbs and stuff. I'll be the judge of that. I look forward to seeing what this is all about. Grab a bowl. 4 tablespoons of nutritional yeast. A tablespoon of garlic powder. Half teaspoon black pepper. Half teaspoon smoked paprika. 4 tablespoons of olive oil. 6 tablespoons of soy sauce or tamari sauce. A tablespoon of maple syrup. And a half teaspoon of liquid smoke. And a cup of water. Whisk that together. Time for that rice paper. Put a sheet in and soften one side of it. Then flip it over and soften the other side. Put on a cutting board and let's do that with another sheet. Put that second sheet on top and then we're going to slice it into pieces. And then you place those unusual strips on a baking sheet that's been lined with parchment paper. And now this goes in a 400-degree oven until crisp, which should take about 7 to 8 minutes, but watch them closely because they could burn. This is gonna become bacon. And here we have it. It's rice paper bacon. It does kind of look like bacon. It actually took about 10 minutes in the oven to get to this kind of crispness. Listen to that. It is kind of crispy. I will say that the house doesn't smell like bacon. When I smell it, I'm not getting that strong bacon smell. But what matters is the taste. Will this taste like bacon? We'll see. Whoa. It was a fun crisp, that's for sure. It's definitely meaty. It has a very meaty flavor. It is fun. It is really good. It feels like a really fun, meaty snack. I don't know about bacon, though. But it is a very fun alternative to bacon. If you don't want to hurt any animals, try rice paper bacon. It's still pretty good. What do you call a bacon-wrapped dinosaur? Jurassic pork.